Hey guys, it's Mark St. James from On Your Mark YVR. Just wanted to quickly do a little video about this really cool L'Oreal Magic Root cover-up. So it's a concealer spray for your dark roots if you have blonde hair, but what I did was actually gave myself, just shake it up and just spray the tips, and then I gave myself a little bit like a frosted tip situation, so you can see, and then when it dries it just looks really awesome and like professionally done. There's other colors, so I got the lightest one, so it's coming off on this camera a little gray, but it's like that really platinum blonde. So I'm obsessed with this. I think it's like $15, and this took, you know, it lasts for one wash. It's not permanent, but yeah, really cool product. Thank you, L'Oreal.